Alright, so my engine had fuel in it. We were looking it up because it had a bunch of fuel in the system, and it could be because of a fuel injector, or what else, Zane? Fuel pressure regulator?
Yeah.
I don't know, but yo, it was like water in there. Not water, but the oil was watery. Like as if I was running E85 or something.
That was literally water.
Yeah, here.
I thinned out the oil so bad.
This was in there, and that's straight water. You know? It's, I don't know, it smells like gas. So a ton of gas got in there. That's probably why my motor stopped working. Why it wouldn't turn over. Because...
Which is really weird, you'd think that it got seized, but turning the motor by hand, it wasn't seized at all.
Yeah, no.
It still turned freely. That's the weirdest part about it is it turned freely. There is no flakes in the oil either.
Yeah.
No metal flakes or anything. So the motor is good somehow.
We think so? I don't know. I'm about to take the front cover off and see what it's like in there.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not
exactly what's going
bad.
on.
But we'll find out.
I mean, we inspected the head gasket. Head gasket looked fine. I mean, I'm no professional or anything, but there were no tears in it, no nicks or anything really. The head looked fine. There was no real damage on there, and you would think, we thought maybe he dropped a valve or something like that. But if you guys obviously seen the other videos, the pistons on top were clean. There was no gouging in them, no nothing. The only gouging there was on one of those intake or exhaust valve galleys or whatever you would call that.
Yeah.
So we still to this point don't really know exactly what happened, but something happened.
We're figuring it out as we go. So
yeah, I mean, oil is water right now, so that's one thing that's not good.
I need to switch the front main seal, that's for sure.
Yeah, we'll replace everything we can get to. We'll replace.
Yeah, all the gaskets. Literally, I got a complete gasket rebuild kit for this thing. Because I mean, clearly, I need it.
I'm still confused, and I'll probably always be confused, especially if this thing fires up right away.
I know. If it fires up, dude, I'm gonna freak out. All right, so to take the front cover off, should we lower this back down? We don't need it up.
No, you need to take the oil pan off.
First?
I think so.
I don't think so.
I don't know, but I know you gotta take it off.
I seem to be able to do the front timing cover. Oh my gosh. That's so gunky. Alright, we're going to take the front cover off, or the oil pan off, and then get back to you when we're done. Alright Zane, what do we do so far?
Alright, front cover's off.
Yep.
I still don't know what we're doing, but I mean...
It doesn't look too... I mean, all I see is a chain. That's it.
We gotta pull that thing off. We put the new one on.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully every time's right. I have no idea.
If you guys are gonna plan on doing this, the oil pump is connected to the front cover.
Yeah,
we didn't know that.
We were over here trying to whack up the oil the front cover, and oil pump has a bolt right here that hooks up like under the oil.
We show them? They didn't see.
There is a bolt that hooks up, holds this onto here.
Yeah.
Just
So.
bracket for that. I've never done this before, so I didn't know.
We've never done anything like this.
But yeah.
Timing chain. I mean, it's a little off-centered because it's loose. In other words, it's loose. So that's why it's more to the right. And if you guys noticed that, hopefully I took everything off right at top dead center. If I didn't jump timing. This is literally the last step we have to do before we start putting everything back together. Disassembling now. Now we got to disassemble the chain. Tensioner.
Oh yeah, the tensioner.
How can I think of a name? My bad. We gotta take out the tensioner and then put the new stuff back on, and hopefully it's all good. So hopefully. I'm gonna definitely clean everything up because it's so filthy. Like you guys saw how it looked before. It's still black. So I'm gonna clean the front timing cover. I'll do it another day because it's raining outside right now, and I want to clean it outside because I don't want my garage to smell nasty and stuff.
You know what we need?
What?
We need a solvent tank.
Yeah, we do.
Solvent tank would be really nice.
But yeah, I'm gonna brake clean that, the oil pan, and the whatever that thing is called. I can't think of the front timing cover.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna clean the side of the engine later because it's so dirty, bro. I hate how dirty it looks. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it definitely is dirty.
Not much left. Just the hardest part. I mean, it's not even hard. It's just I've never done any timing before.
Yeah, it's just scary.
And I don't know. It's not even that hard, but we're way overthinking it.
Yeah.
What is that top dead center right now? We just gotta mark everything out.
I mean, it's already not correct because remember we tried taking the tensioner off and the chain is already shifted over. I mean, it's at top dead center for sure though. For sure.
Oh wait a second.
What?
The white link, shouldn't it be over here?
Yep.
Okay.
Maybe I did jump timing. But that's so many teeth that it jumped. I don't know. We don't know what happened, dude. We're gonna go look up a picture on how it's supposed to look, and then we're gonna put it back together and show you guys when it's done. Boom, baby! It's good. We did it. It was a lot easier than I expected. Me and Zane thought it was gonna be really hard, but it really wasn't that bad. It took maybe, what, 30 minutes?
Half an hour, something like
Maybe
that.
something like that. Only because up here, you need to get it aligned. You can't even see, but there's like a little divot in there.
Alright, so, you can kind of see it. Yeah. So that notch right there, if you can see on top of there, and then there's one.
Right there.
Yeah, there's one right there. That has to be lined up with some shit back here.
Yeah, there's a little dot on the camshaft.
Yeah. Which you're not going to be able to see it. But if you're doing it,
you'll see it.
You'll see it. Pretty much those got to get lined up so the cam sprockets and everything get aligned correctly. But everything is in. Oh, we still got to put the tensioner up there too.
Oh yeah, we forgot about tensioner. Don't worry guys, we're not that
Tensioner's got to go on. Everything is torqued though.
Everything's torqued to spec. Everything's good. Aligned. That's aligned. That's aligned. Everything's done though. I mean, we thought it was going to be really hard and I was going to pay somebody to do it. But everyone kept blowing me off. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to rip it and see how hard it could be. And it wasn't that bad, so.
Yeah. It honestly isn't that bad. Hopefully sooner or later I'll be doing my timing belt or my timing chain on my 240.
And we know how to do it, so it'll be quicker.
Getting shit done. So yeah, after this we got button everything back up, clean everything up, and then we should be ready to roll. And I will bang Jonathan's door as soon as I
still need to
can.
break it in, but then after that he can break in my car. So that's cool.
Yeah.
But so that's it for today's video. I mean, off camera, I'm gonna clean the front timing cover, take the gaskets off, put new gaskets on there. And then maybe next video, it'll be me putting everything back together. I don't know if I'll film myself cleaning it just because that's kind of stupid. But yeah, you're definitely going to see a huge difference. I mean, you can see how dirty that is right now.
Oh yeah, there's grease and gunk everywhere.
When I'm done with all that down there, you'll definitely see a difference.
There's the timing cover. You can see how
that's what
dirty
I was
that
talking
thing
about,
is.
the timing cover. You'll see how clean it is and it'll be good. I'll be happy.
Yeah, everything is going to look minty.
Yeah, because I just don't want it looking ugly inside the car. I mean, yeah, I know it's a 240, but I don't know. I just want it to look pretty.
Look at that. Look at that monster truck fitment.
What are you talking about? Oh, 240? Okay, yeah, okay. There's no engine in there, so or no engine or transmission in there right now, so it's like... But yeah.
From my experiences, do your own shit and just go ahead and do it.
Don't be scared to try it.
Don't be scared to go into something you don't know anything about, because me, Jonathan, we both don't know much about cars. I mean, I took a class for 2 years when I was in high school for automotive tech, but honestly, the biggest thing is you going out there and doing the work yourself. It's so much fun. As soon as we hear this thing fire up, it's gonna all be worth it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this took forever, but it's gonna be amazing. And you guys, I mean, I hope we're gaining subs a little bit, not much.
I'm at 60 something, bro. That's awesome. Yeah. Thank you guys.
Yeah, I mean, it ain't much, but like I said,
it means a lot.
Sooner or later, yeah. No, exactly.
All
yeah.
Right.
Thank you guys a lot for watching, and we're out of here.
Well, right now we're just gonna do small stuff. We're gonna, like we said, we're gonna put the other tension on here, and then that's it for today's video. We'll see you guys next time.
See you later.